Mayors for Good Governance is a force to contend with. Kaya nga, when Mayor Magalong struck a nerve, some nerves, they are scared. Why? Because of this. What's gonna happen next? Why? Kasi, nagkaroon ng elimination. Pumasok ka sa ICI, and then, nung mapupuntahan ka na, biglang may nag-intervene, then that's actually a good start na alam mo kung sino yung pwedeng pagkatiwalaan at hindi dapat pagkatiwalaan. That's good. Process of elimination. Diba? Okay. We cannot trust these guys. Okay. I guess we're on our own. Mayors for Good Governance. So let's do this.
Following the DPWH, Department of Public Works and Highways, the CDCP, Catholic for Mayors for Good Governance.
Alam mo, may angulo dito si Vince eh. Naamoy ko angulo mo, Vince eh. Parang Vince, tara usap. Naamoy ko yung angulo mo eh. Feeling ko may naamoy ka eh. And then, you want to use your power to actually secure things. Feeling ko may naamoy ka eh.
Mayor Benji Magalong, and for tapat of the current among these four entities is designed to widen the scope of the current.
It's widen the scope. Why? Kasi yung Mayors for Good Governance, kalat yan eh. Kalat yan, di ba? So,
thank you po.
Bakit pumuntong hininga si Si Vince.
Investigation of DPWH.
Ay, naku ba po, sir? Thank you po.
Why did you do that? Vince? Mukhang kino-confirm mo yung sinasabi ko ah. What's that for? Tingnan nyo si Vince. Tingnan nyo si Vince. Wait. Tingnan nyo si Vince.
DPWH.
Ay, naku ba po, sir? Thank you po.
Did you see that? Interesting. Parang finally, mukhang nag-iiwan to ng si Vince. Mukhang yayariin ka in the future.
Widen the scope of the current investigation of DPWH.
Okay, wala namang kabuntong-buntong hininga dun sa na yan. To widen the scope, yes.
Ay, naku ba po, sir? Thank you po.
Why did you do that? This is very interesting. Let's follow Vince in the future. Okay? It seems to me na napakahirap itong ginawa niyang to. It seems to me, this power na ginawa niya, it derived from his power. I don't think it is sanctioned. There's something wrong here. Lalong mayayari yan si Vince after nito. I think so too. Nakakahinga ng maluwag kasi may tutulong na sa kanya. The issue is, sino ang may sabi sa'yo na magandang may tumulong sa'yo? Right? This is very interesting. Mukhang wala dapat yan sa plano ng admin I know. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm curious. Unless mannerism niya yan. Okay, kung mannerism niya yan, false flag. Wait. Parang nawala nga siya sa picture ng ICI, no? Napabuntong hininga siya, mukha wala siya magagawa kung may utos sa kanya sa taas. It doesn't follow. Kasi si Mayor nga tinanggal, di ba? Gustong, kaya nga nag-resign, di ba? Kasi yun na yung gusto. Si Ombudsman gumagalaw ngayon, nga, no? Wala naman kasing nag-groundwork sa ICI. Si Mayor Magalong lang. Kaya parang nawala si Vince. Wala naman daw kasi silang makitang lead sa ICI. Pumunta lang naman siya sa ICI kapag nagdadala ng reports. So we can predict na papalitan siya dyan sa DPWH kung di siya authorized gawin yung MOA. Hindi, authorized siyang gawin yung MOA. Pero I think it's dinerive niya sa kapangyarihan niya lang. Ayun ang tingin ko dinerive niya sa kapangyarihan niya lang.